Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the July Junk Journal Challenge 2025. And it's hosted by Lee's Art. And I'll have a link in the description for you to get all of your information if you want to participate, like the prompt lists and stuff like that. So I'm trying to play catch up because I'm only going to probably do like 2 videos per week, something like that. So today I'm doing days 6 through 10, which is one color, stamp it, words, lace, and worn. So I decided to start out with the one color, and basically what I did for this prompt was I gathered a whole bunch of different things that were blue. I decided to just go ahead and stick with blue because I did have quite a few things that were blue. So I found like some old fabric, lace, well, not lace, fabric, what else did I use? Like papers, like a little die cut, well, not die cut, actually, fussy cut out, butterfly, some die, actually it was a punched little old mason jar, and some just little flowers and butterflies and other little bits and bobs that were all blue. And I decided to stitch the fabrics together. First I wanted to create like the snippet itself, and then little by little I started adding layers of all that other stuff on there. And then I finally just garnished it with the butterfly, the little embellishments, little pearl looking like things, and glued some of those on there just to kind of finish it off. And then that's what we ended up with. And then for stamp it, words, lace, and worn, I basically just created just a little layout for that page. And I just had some leftover fussy cuts and lace and fabric and doily. And I had just different things from different kits that had already been cut out. Some of the things that I used were already stamped and fussy cut, like some of the words like luggage and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I used. So this was a pretty quick and easy process. Basically all I did was just glue everything together, and then we got us our layout. Okay, so we've got them all done. We've got the one color, and that's the little snippet or whatever, the different shades and different tones, different fabrics and materials. And for worn, this is a piece of worn, not this right here, well, this is a piece of worn tissue, and then also up underneath there I had used some worn, what do you call it, dryer sheet. It's pretty worn out. So yeah, that's the worn. And then I guess you could say this string is a little bit worn out. So, and then stamp it, we have stamps here, we have stamped images. All these were stamped and fussy cut. And then for lace, I've got the lace doily and then an actual piece of fabric lace. And then words, we have different words like luggage, postcard, and then these are words, and then, you know, A1 wool, Pennsylvania, things like that. We have words. So we've got everything. We've got stamp it, words, lace, and worn. So this was days 5 through, or no, not 5. Yeah, I think it was 5. No, 6 through 10. One color, stamp it, words, lace, and worn. Yeah. Oh, I got quite a bit of them done. Yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And if you want to participate and share some of your creations on social media, just use the hashtag JJJC2025 for July Junk Journal Challenge 2025. And thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting.